Hey there, giant fans of fun. It's Thad the Theme Park Giant coming to you from the Theme Park Giant headquarters here in Iowa. And today we're saying goodbye to a classic Disney attraction. Yes, it was last week, but I still had to I still had to say goodbye even though I couldn't be there. Splash Mountain at Walt Disney World is no more. Uh Closed its doors on January 23rd, 2023 and will be switched over to a Tiana themed ride, which I actually am excited about. As much as I do love Splash Mountain, I'm always excited to see new attractions. I will miss Splash Mountain though. I think it's one of the first modern era great attractions. Eisner, was part of that, where Star Tours and Splash Mountain were his first two big additions out of Disneyland. And Splash Mountain was so popular, so was Star Tours. Splash Mountain was so popular they instantly ordered it for the Orlando park and Tokyo, and they both opened in 1992. So yeah, a good 30-year run for Splash Mountain here at Walt Disney World. Um, my family, we rode it the year it opened that summer, and I mean it. Well, as you'll find out, it may not have been my favorite at that time, but it is. It's one of my favorites. It reminds me of just family trips growing up, and so yeah, it was hard to say goodbye. But hey, like Walt said, these aren't museums. They're going to change. So looking forward to it in a couple years. But yeah, can't believe it's gone. And since it is gone for good, and this is a special occasion, I gave it the prime poster spot. I don't move the Haunted Mansion poster for anything, and I moved it just to give Splash a little extra love today. Uh, Before we get into it, if you like the content, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel so you always know when there's new content, and thanks for stopping by. So yeah, let's get into it. Splash Mountain, to me, like I said, it is the first great modern attraction. I'm talking in the late 80s, 90s. It spurred on things like Tower of Terror, Rock and Roller Coaster, Buzz Lightyear. I'll put in there, not at the same level as those, but still a good ride. Been around for a while. But I've just been kind of reminiscing, looking through some of my old pictures I've taken. I think it's such a photogenic ride. Beautiful. You get the drop. You can see it from all across the park. Over by like Haunted Mansion and Liberty Square. I mean, you hear the screams. It's definitely a draw to that side of the park. Speaking of the drops, my sister loves this picture. So this was the first year it opened, and there I am, probably 14 years old at the time, and absolutely terrified of rides, even though I loved looking at roller coasters and loved looking at rides. I was a chicken, and as you can see here, I'm absolutely terrified of the drop. That is obviously me in the second row. Everyone else enjoying themselves, even my dad, that's a smile for him, and then my mom and sister in the front row enjoying themselves. But yeah, uh, I've been giving a lot of crap about this picture for 30 years now, and my sister made sure that I included it in this video. So there you go. Theme Park Giant was a chicken. Not anymore. I'm really cool now. But yeah, just the whole area. I love the whole theming behind it. They had all those just extra little signs and like these statues. You know, Picture from one night when we ate at California Grill. I just thought it looked cool all the way across, the property. And then just more pictures of the drop here. I just think it's just an awesome ride. I am gonna miss it. I did get some video of it when I was there last April. That'd be my last ride, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that in here for one last ride through a Theme Park Giant. Let's go ahead and enjoy it one more time. Thanks for watching. Let's go!
That's what you ask us. That's what you ask us. Time to move it along. Time to move it along.
Raspberry rabbit, being chased by Prayer Fox and Prayer Bear, as usual. Look yonder, there goes Prayer Rabbit, being chased by Prayer Fox.
You sure ain't a fool yourself, Prayer Bear. You just fool my Prayer Rabbit dropping down his back.
Yes, sir. I hope Brother Rabbit takes me along the theme. I could sure use a good job. Well,
I do declare, man, that my laughing place doesn't know if you are.
And you not getting away this time.
Let it go.
Too late. Laughing place? We've got your laughing place right up here.